Never been to a V8 supercar race before? Well, this is for you. Check this out. Bang!
Y'all ready for this?
Leave me alone. I know what I'm drinking.
Supercars, Newcastle, John 500. Plenty of good reasons to be here this weekend. Lounsey's last race. They're talking about coming here because it's such a nice close street. Yeah, thanks. They're talking about coming here for a couple of years. This should be really cool. Newcastle races that way. We're going. Though most people know it as V8 Supercars, the category changed its name to simply Supercars as of the 2016 season. History lesson.
Newcastle, industrial city.
The Newcastle metropolitan area is the second most populated area in the Australian state of New South Wales. Located 162 kilometres northeast of Sydney, it is the most predominant area in the Hunter region. Famous for its coal, Newcastle is the largest exporting coal harbour in the world, exporting 159.9 million tonnes of coal in 2017. And I have no idea why I'm talking like this, it just felt like a good idea at the time. What's up?
All right. Yeah, sorry, sir. My mistake. I've got to have your backpack inspected.
The Newcastle 500 is an event held over 3 days, from Friday to Sunday. Friday includes two 40-minute practice sessions. Saturday includes a 20-minute qualifying session, followed by a 250-kilometre race. Sunday is much like Saturday, but there's a top 10 shootout thrown in after a 20-minute qualifying session to determine the grid for the final 250-kilometre race. Bit of lunch. Because this is a city track, getting in and around from location to location is aided by the way of tunnels and bridges, which gives you access to just about every viewpoint on offer.
Okay.
Once you're inside the circuit, you're in the central part of the Newcastle CBD. Pubs are full, cafes are full, everywhere is full. What you're seeing now is us relocating ourselves to the media room. Up there we have access to cold drinks, comfy chair, some light refreshments such as chicken salad wraps, as well as tea and coffee. As you can see, this is a pretty serious setup. Motorsport journalists from around the country gather inside this room, punching out stories and videos as everything unfolds. Mad.
Hadouken! Hadouken! Hadouken!
Shane, hell of a drive, mate. You just refused to give up and you got the reward there at the end. How are you sort of deciphering what's just happened and what lies ahead tomorrow? 2 points of difference, it might as well be zero.
Yeah, 2.5 hours. That's a long race. No wonder I'm stuffed.
There was no point for me to block Shane because I wanted to, the racer in me wanted to, but I was like, well, I've just got to get home because I knew that there's potential I wouldn't make it. And I literally ran out of fuel as I went under the lights. So yeah, that was my last 2 laps.
With Saturday's race done and dusted, it was time to relax and prepare for Sunday.
we do here is go back.
Given we spent a lot of time on Saturday watching the race, Sunday would be the day where we walk around the track and check out the pits. Now the pits is a place where we wanted to go to get some close-up footage to capture how teams go about their business and see what kind of equipment they take to each race. But what we found out when we arrived at the pits was that video footage was not allowed. Moving over to the support category pit area was really cool because we could get close to the race cars. The Super 2 area in particular was really great to get close to. These race cars are mostly former supercars that are sold onto teams in the second tier category. And even though they might not compete in the main game, you cannot discount the level of engineering and work put into these cars. City circuits are never easy to get a good viewpoint because there's always a lot of safety barriers and fences in the way. That said, the organisers here at the Newcastle 500 have done a tremendous job.
Hammer time.
Isn't that 30 seconds faster?
30 seconds behind.
No, faster, isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the future.
Great Scott!
Here around the back of the track, you'll find insane beach views, more packed out pubs, bars, cafes and hotels. The atmosphere on this side is really happening. There's people looking out of hotel windows everywhere.
Now that's how you're supposed to drive.
When you watch V8 supercars on TV, you don't realise just how loud these 650 horsepower V8 race cars are. They crack as they upshift gears, the noise under acceleration, these things are loud. Adding some extra excitement to this race weekend was the fact that the Supercars Drivers' Championship would be decided at this very event. Both Scott McLaughlin, driving for Shell V-Power Racing Team, and Shane Van Gisbergen, driving for Red Bull Holden Racing Team, the top runners in the 2018 championship, would fight it out over 2 days. But of course, there could only be one winner, and that driver is Scott McLaughlin. Time to go home.
It's over.
You win!
Thanks for watching. If you're on Facebook, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. No, that's YouTube actually. Click like and subscribe there. Click the bell thing so you get a reminder. And if you're on Facebook, like and share. Peace.